up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back with another video. In today's video, girlies, we are going to review Copycat Beauty, which is the brand that Danielle Bregoli is pushing for. You know, a lot of people think that it's her brand. It's if you don't know who Danielle Bregoli is the Cash Me Outside girl that was on Dr. Phil. So yeah, pretty much. So we just trying out some of her stuff, seeing if y'all would like it, or if y'all like some of the stuff, y'all should definitely pick it up. Earlier today, I went on live on Facebook Live in a group. Y'all, I got such good feedback. Like, I'm like, wow, I was so scared and nervous about going live in that group, but they were all so nice and so friendly. So yeah, before we get into this video, guys, please hit that subscribe button and join me here on the Royal Flush, on the Royal Flush family, a part of the Royal Court, girl. Okay, and also do not forget to hit the bell notification button right next to that to be notified for my future uploads. And at any point in this video, if y'all are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me and my content here on my channel, then give this video a big thumbs up and let's just get into this video, y'all.
That's the reason we do this, baby. You better use it. Use your imagination. Let your mind.
Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty much just going to do my eye look, and I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to use those two shades right there. I'm just doing this just so I can put the glitter shadows on top, and the glitter shadows I'm using are a dupe for the Stila Magnificent Metals. And so I did that one eye already off camera, and if y'all see me talking to myself, I'm on Facebook Live, so that's why I'm talking to myself. But yeah, y'all, so that's what I'm pretty much doing right here. And once we get to the glitters, I'm actually gonna really tell y'all more about it, the glitters that I'm gonna do. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so these glitters, y'all, I do not own any Stila glitters, like, you know, them liquid shadows by Stila. I do not own any of those, but look at these. I love this glitter. Like, it was literally only $5 off of Copycat Beauty. I don't know nothing about no Stila shadows, but y'all can't say that did not look so pretty going on my eye. Like, it looks like it's wet on my eye, and I was on live, and the girls on live was going crazy, y'all. These liquid eyeshadows are amazing. I don't know what some people was talking about with these reviews, but these are some good liquid eyeshadows. I'm definitely about to buy so many more because they're just so gorgeous and just so beautiful. I have to have some more. You see me going crazy. You see me talking to the girls. Just crazy. Okay guys, so now I'm about to take the GO2 Expose palette, number 1. This is supposed to be a dupe for the NARS blushes, and I'm about to use these to blush up my face. I'm about to use the last bottom row. That's what I'm about to use. I'll mix them all together. Let's see how this looks. My hair everywhere. That look cute. It definitely warmed up my face. It's added color, you know. Y'all put blush everywhere. I'm looking really good though, honestly. This is the Copycat Beauty's dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the Sun Kiss one. It looks very, very pretty. The packaging is very, very pretty. So I'm about to give this a try. I'm about to use it on my nose. Okay, y'all, so bam. Like, do y'all see how good this highlighter is? Like, oh my God. I saw a review on these highlighters, like, you know, they review this. Like, someone said they're just as good as Anastasia's, and they're supposed to be a dupe for the Anastasia highlighters. Wow, like, these highlighters literally blew me away. Probably about to be some of my favorite highlighters in my stash right now. But yeah, like, it melted right into my skin, like, you know, like, and it was just like, just a very, very good quality highlighter. Very good. It's the next day. I didn't break out from this stuff, from using it at all. Just in case for like people that, you know, that probably was wondering, like, you know, if all this is fake makeup. I didn't break out from none of it. So if I did, I definitely would be complaining about it. But so moving forward. Okay guys, so I'm back. It was a little voiceover for most of this video, but I'm here to do a final review on it, and you know, final impressions pretty much. I've had this on for almost 2 hours, so I can definitely see, you know, basically give out, like, you know, my, you know, real opinions of these products. So first, the eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow, pretty much. Let's talk about that first. These went on like butter, and I actually really enjoyed them, and they're really, really, really good. None of the glitter actually fell down on my lashes. Everything stayed put pretty much, and I definitely would recommend these glitter eyeshadows. They look really, really pretty. I wouldn't say, I don't have any Stila liquid eyeshadow, so I can't compare them to Stila, but so far so good. They actually look really pretty. This is also, I'm actually buying more because these are very good. These are $5, by the way. $5. You cannot beat that. You can't beat it. So definitely pick this up. Next, I want to talk about the blush palette, which is the dupe for the NARS blush palette. I don't know which one, but y'all know I love and I live for a good blush moment. So these blushes are very, very good. They aren't very pigmented, I would say, and I'm going to compare them to my Morphe blush palette. They aren't as pigmented as my Morphe blush palette, but blush is, I feel like it's, you want your blush to be more buildable than anything, because you don't want a complete opaque pop of color on your cheeks unless you're doing something editorial. So would I recommend these? Yes, these are very, very good. Some I heard and I watched certain videos that some of these things are hit or miss on this website. The eyeshadow, definitely, y'all can see, y'all saw how I put it on, like y'all saw that. So I'm letting y'all be the judge of everything, but me personally, I live for most of these products. This blush palette I really didn't need, but y'all know I love blush, so I had to pick it up. I definitely liked it. It wasn't my favorite blush, but I definitely enjoyed it. So as for highlighter, this tropical palette, so which is the dupe for the Anastasia Sun Kiss palette. It does come with a mirror, and the Anastasia one doesn't come with a mirror at all. So I would say that's actually a good point on their side as well. But these are very, very pretty. I didn't even swatch these for you guys, so let me do that right now. They are very, very pretty, as y'all can see, and on my cheeks as well. Very opaque highlighters, very, very pigmented highlighters, very pretty. Are they my favorites? No. Will I be using them more? Yes, I definitely would. I do see myself using these more. I'm actually going to put these on the top of my highlighter stack because I want to use, you know, just really get into these more. So yeah, so I would definitely pick this up. I will pick up most of these products that I am talking about in this video. So you guys, that pretty much wraps this video on Copycat Beauty. So much on the final review. I would say y'all should definitely pick up these products, at least the products that I've tried. Y'all should pick up. I don't know about the eyeshadow palettes or anything like that, but y'all should definitely pick up some things from these brands. They are very cute. So yeah, that being said, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. With that being said, you guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.